Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how the 5 process groups interact with each other. The output of one process group, how it goes to the input to another process group, and which are the process groups that will have their outputs going to multiple other process groups. Okay, from a PMP examination, this is very important. This will help you answer few questions when you know what happens after particular process is completed, where does it go next. Let's get started. So initiating process group, first we follow simple thumb rule. So the output of initiating process group goes to input of planning process group. Similarly, the planning, once you do the plan is ready, you have to execute the plan. So this goes over here, it comes to the executing process group. Once you start executing the work, so you get the reports, you get the data, and then you want to analyze, you want to check things, it goes to output goes to monitoring and controlling process group. Now, from monitoring controlling process group, everything looks satisfactory, you go and close it. Goes to closing process group. Now, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, from monitoring and controlling process group. Okay, let's say there was a problem. Okay, there was a problem, and this problem needs to be fixed. Now, what do you do in this case? In this case, to address the problem, you need to analyze the problem and now plan and how to do it properly. So, the output of this monitoring controlling process group will go as an input to the planning process group. Okay, output of that will go as an input to planning process group. Let me use a bigger highlighter. Then, similarly, let's say you analyze a problem and it doesn't need a bigger planning, you can just go and directly fix it. Let's say you were testing in UAT and there was a small problem. Okay, not in UAT, you're doing a quality assurance and they found out a small problem, and then you can just directly go and fix the problem. So you go to the executing process group. So that's how you start doing it. So this is the way the process groups interact with each other. Okay, so as we know, from initiating, once the charter is ready, you start planning. The output of initiating goes to planning process group. Once you have all the plans ready, scope, time, cost, quality, resources, communication, you start working on it, it goes to executing process group. And then the next thing is the monitoring and controlling process group. Executing, once you start executing, you get a lot of data information, start analyzing it, you start controlling, you start validating it, so it goes to monitoring controlling process group. Once all this monitoring controlling is done, and then validation is completed, the reports are there, you're assisting, then you close the project. Very important from a PMP examination. Please remember, the process groups are not phases of the project. People get confused on this. Okay, process groups, the 5 process groups are not 5 phases of the project. The phases of the project are things like design. Okay, design, analyze, sorry, okay, that will be like analyze, design, then build, test, deploy. These could be phases of a project. Again, I repeat, the process groups are not your phases of the project. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching this video. This is Arham Faraaz. Please do leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share the video. Let me know what kind of videos you're looking for. I wish you all the best for your PMP examination. Bye bye.